U.S. Lubricants manufactures engine oils, 530, 1030, OW20. We do industrial oils for our customers as well. Anything you use in a machine, we manufacture. We have over 200 plus blends that we do over here in Kimberly and throughout the Midwest and other parts of the States. Been here 34 years. Right out of high school, took the job. About a year and a half, I was the operations manager. They kept promoting, so I kept moving up, and good company to work for. I was just taught you work hard and good things happen if you work hard and try hard. People see it, you'll move up. Mentoring is important to me. First of all, I want to see people grow. Plus, it also helps myself out and other leaders or whatever by teaching somebody your skills. Just because you know the skills doesn't mean you're better than anybody else. It's better to have a whole team that knows them. The more people with the knowledge, the more successful you're going to be. So I think mentoring is important to help you as a person grow actually and teach somebody else. For most jobs, you got to communicate with your boss, your coworkers, and your customers and so forth. So first of all, you got to be able to communicate. Second of all, you should be at least basic math skills, because any job you have, even if you have a calculator or not, you should still be able to sit down with somebody, do math in your head. It gives you confidence. Just like any job, you got to start it first. You're not going to be the greatest at it, but you teach them, this is the basics of how you run this piece of equipment and make this kind of oil or whatever. And after they get that down, then you mentor them on and say, now this is the next step to it. This is how we do this. And then if they want training or somebody wants training, there's classes about how oil's made or how anything's made, really. So it's pretty much just furthering your education and pretty much doing it yourself to kind of keep pushing forward and learning as much as you can.